In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the HubSpot website tracking code. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set up tracking on your website to monitor visitor behavior effectively. So without further ado, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot website in your preferred web browser. Once there, locate the Login button conveniently situated in the top right corner of the homepage. Go ahead and click on that. This action will take you to the login page where you have multiple sign-in options. For a smoother experience, we're going to sign in with Google today. Click on the Sign in with Google button, and you may need to select your Google account if prompted. This method provides a quick and secure way to access your HubSpot account. After successfully logging in, it's time to head over to the Settings section. This part is essential because we'll find all our analytics tools there. You'll want to click on the link that takes you directly to the settings interface. Once you're there, you'll see various options, but our focus today is on the tracking and analytics section. Clicking on this will open up more features and tools that HubSpot offers to monitor and gather data about your website visitors. Now that you've accessed the tracking and analytics area, look for the section that explicitly mentions the tracking code. Clicking on this will reveal the code you need for your website. This code is crucial as it's what you'll place on your site to start tracking visitor data. Before you proceed, it's always good to double check that you're in the right area and looking at the correct code. This ensures that the integration process goes smoothly later on. At this point, you're almost there. The next step is to copy the tracking code. You'll typically find a button or link marked Copy beside or below the code itself. Click on it, and your tracking code will be copied to your clipboard, ready to be pasted into your website's HTML. As a quick tip, after copying the code, keep a text editor open on your computer. Paste the code there for safekeeping in case you need to reference it later. It's always a good practice to have a backup before making any changes to your website. That's it. You've now got your HubSpot tracking code, and you're all set to implement it on your website. This code will empower you by providing valuable insights into how visitors interact with your site, which can significantly impact your marketing strategies. Just remember to regularly check your HubSpot dashboard for analytics and insights that will help guide your decisions and optimize your site's performance. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. See you in the next tutorial.